If you have Irish and eggs and vegetables, I'm going to request you try out this wonderful and the best breakfast ever, or the best meal ever. So we are going to start by making our French fries. So you're going to slice your French fries. You chop or you slice them. After slicing them, you have to use Irish. You have to use Irish. So after slicing them, we are going to set them aside. Then we are going to crush our garlic. You're going to crush your garlic. After crushing the garlic, you're going to apply the French fries or the chips in the saucepan. Then apply garlic, apply salt, apply turmeric for color. After applying turmeric, you're going to apply water. Then after, we are going to half boil. We are going to half boil. The reason why half boil, we want our ingredients to enter our chips or our French fries. So you have to half boil. Make sure that it does not mash. Then after half boiling, for the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. This is Chef Joshua Musisi. After, we are going to deep fry until our French fries are ready. So to know that they are ready, they have to come at the top. They have to appear at the top of the oil. They have to appear at the top of the oil. So you have to deep fry until golden brown or until ready. After, you're going to set them aside. After, you're going to set them aside. We are doing the beautiful, the best breakfast ever. I think you can see the beautiful color, the crunchiness, etc. After that, we are going to get our vegetables. You're going to grate you are going to grate onions. So you are going to grate carrots, fresh coriander, green pepper, and spring onions. Then after, we are going to break our eggs. We are going to break our eggs. So after breaking the eggs, you can break 2 eggs or 3 eggs or 4 eggs. 3 eggs or 4 eggs. So after breaking the eggs, we are going to apply minced onions. Then you apply grated carrots. Then you apply minced spring onions. Then apply minced green pepper. Then apply minced fresh coriander. Then you season with salt or aromat. Then after, you are going to whisk. After whisking, we are doing the so-called chips mayai. So the combination of chips, French fries and eggs or an omelette. Then you are going to apply the French fries on the flat pan. You spray with some cooking oil. After spraying with some cooking oil, you are going to apply the egg mixture. You are going to apply the egg mixture. Then after applying the egg mixture, we are going to turn. You have to turn 4 times. You have to turn until you see your chips mayai or your meal is golden brown and dry. We need it totally dry and we need it golden brown. Remember, this is Chef Josh Musisi. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. On YouTube, I release recipes every day, so you can subscribe. So you have to turn until golden brown, and you have to make sure that it is dry. We need it totally dry. This is the best meal or the best breakfast. You can take it for breakfast, you can take it for lunch, you can take it for supper, anytime. Then after, we are going to slice it into pizza slices. We are going to slice it into pizza slices. Yeah, or into family pieces, because we need it into family pieces. Then after slicing it, you are going to plate. After plating, you are going to also slice some tomato rings. You're going to also slice some tomato rings. This is Chef Joshua Musisi. Then after, you're going to garnish with the tomato rings. Make sure that the tomato rings are not too big. We need them thin because they are going to be taken fresh. Then after, you finish off with some salt or aromat. Anything of your choice. So you finish off with some salt or aromat. So if you want to join my WhatsApp channel, you just contact me on that number so that you can join my WhatsApp channel, or you can anything of your choice.